Welcome to part 2 of 5 minutes to strengthen your abs. Grab your mat and a strap. Let's begin. Start by lying down on your mat with your legs bent. Lengthen your lower back onto the floor and draw your abdomen down. Bend your knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs. Then take a strap and place it around the balls of your feet. Straighten your legs up towards the ceiling. Pull with your arms as you push through the balls of the feet, drawing your navel down and keeping your lower back long. Take 1 or 2 breaths here. Now, if you can, let go of the strap and place your arms by your side, pressing the hands and the shoulders down, keeping the legs straight up towards the ceiling. Then bend your knees into your chest and take a breath. Once more, straighten the legs up towards the ceiling, this time lengthening the arms up overhead with the palms up. This position is more challenging, focusing on drawing the navel down, then bend the knees into your chest once more. Now to modify this, hold onto the sides of your mat and push away with the mat as you take your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Again, focusing on straight legs, engagement of the core, and then bringing the knees back down. Let's do that one more time. Now try to take the feet a little bit lower towards the floor with the legs straight. Coming back up and then going down for these leg lifts. Inhale, and as you exhale, take the legs down, keeping them very straight, abdomen down, and come back up. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, going down, pushing out through the heels, abdomen down, shoulders rolling down, and then come back up. Bend your knees into your chest. Let's take a breath here. Now roll to your side to come into dandasana or staff pose. Sit with your legs directly in front of you, straight legs, pressing the heels down, hands by the hips. Press the thighs down, roll the shoulders back. Now lean back a little bit, bend your knees to prep for boat pose. Now lift the right foot and bring the shin parallel to the floor to tabletop. Then we're going to bring that foot down and pull the left foot up into tabletop. And we're going to switch back and forth, keeping the abs engaged, chest lifted, opposite leg comes up, and we just touch down with the toes, keeping the heels up. Right leg up, right leg down, left one up, and then down. Now both feet are down for a quick reset. Now float both feet up and bring the knees close to your chest and maintain this position right here. And then tap down with the feet. Inhale to prepare. Exhale. And once more, pull the knees in into this tight shape and maintain. And then tap back down. Once more, get ready. Inhale. And exhaling, pull the knees in tight. Breathe and maintain. And then into tabletop. See if you can maintain tabletop. And then touch the toes back down. Reset. Take a breath. Once more, leaning a little bit back, both feet into tabletop, shin parallel to the floor, and touch down. This whole time, work by taking your abdomen, lower abs specifically, back towards your spine. When you're ready, once more, pull in the knees and tabletop. Breathe, maintain. Now, tap the right foot down and back up. Left foot down and back up. Right down, chest open, back to tabletop. Left toes down and back up. Now bring both feet down. Again, pause and take a breath. We're getting ready for 3 more tabletop leg lifts. Take a breath, inhale, lean back and bring both feet up into tabletop and then just tap the toes down. Exhaling up, abdomen in, and then touch back down. Make sure you're breathing. Make sure you're lifting the chest. One more, and then down. Now just lean forward and wrap your arms around your shins just to remove any strain. Hope you enjoyed the session. Next up is full boat pose and deeper core strength. See you soon.